Well, hello everyone. Today I'm sharing 10 tiny outfit mistakes that are making us look messy. And as I mentioned, these are tiny, insignificant mistakes. These are things that you maybe do. It's okay. Who the heck cares really at the end of the day? Wow, I'm rhyming already. Let's get started with the first one and I'm just gonna jump right into it. It is the leggings with the center line down the front. I feel like many of you know what I'm talking about. Actually, do you know what I'm talking about? So many of our leggings have the weird center line down the front. And honestly, in most cases, it's totally fine and we think it's normal. But then in other cases, it's like, wow, that placement is very bad. You know, use your imagination. It can create like an optical illusion in the front of us that just doesn't look so good. So I have many, many leggings that I love and they have the center line. And like I said, most of the time it's fine. But then I have other leggings that it's just magically not there. And now I'm realizing, maybe I should be reaching for those more. Number 2, this next one just baffles me. Like literally nobody talks about this. And it's the darts down the front of blouses or dresses. And like I see this on red carpets. I see this on like designer shirts that honestly should just know better. I see this on H&M, Forever 21. I don't have any because I refuse to purchase items like this, but the darts end at the perfect point right at your nipples. Why is this a thing? I don't understand. I feel like not only does it make you look messy and kind of cheap, but also a little provocative. Oh man, with this next one, I do it all the time. All the time. So I guess I should take my own advice, but it's the darn makeup on your turtleneck. How does one wear a turtleneck and makeup at the same time without getting it on the turtleneck? I don't know. I have many examples of this because it just happens to me nonstop. But here I am to say, I think it does make you look messy. I look messy. But yeah, I even do those like cool makeup hacks where you put something on your face first and then put on the shirt and it protects your shirt. But then you still wear the shirt all day long and it still rubs up against you. So I have no solution for this, but I'm still here to say it makes me, look messy. Let's talk about sleeve stains. Shout out to all of you left-handed people out there. I feel like you've got this down. You know, you grew up writing and smearing that ink onto your sleeve. So you're, very aware. I am clueless. I'm right-handed. I didn't have that problem. And so I am consistently shocked at how long I've been wearing something on multiple occasions, and yet my sleeve looks atrocious. So just pay attention to your sleeves. I mean, we're aware of armpit stains, we're aware of the turtleneck stains. The sleeve stains can be very elusive. The next tiny, insignificant outfit mistake that you might be making is what I like to call the sweatshirt bubble. It's a very scientific video, guys. As we all know, the loungewear, the comfy clothes blew up in the last year or so. We're all wearing them, but there are certain sweatshirts that I think just don't look so good. They kind of make you look not so put together, and it's the sweatshirt bubble. So we have like the crop sweatshirts. I feel like that's fine. I feel like even the oversized sweatshirts, totally fine. But it's when the sweatshirt ends right at your middle and the way it's hemmed, it creates like an actual bubble on your body. Usually bubbles. Not so flattering. Speaking of sweatshirts, or more specifically hoodies, or even just any shirt that has like a really chunky neck, I feel like another mistake that you can make in looking a little bit messy is actually having your hair down when you're wearing a hoodie or a super chunky neck. It's just because the hair tends to gather, it tends to kind of create like a rat's nest in the back. So if you are wearing a hoodie, anything with a lot of material around the neck, just throw your hair up. It'll work every time, makes you look much better. This next one, I feel like many people are going to disagree with me because it's kind of on trend, but then there's gonna be a lot of people that totally agree with me. And honestly, it's kind of weird coming from me because I am the queen of loving a good pair of distressed jeans. Believe it or not, I don't have any holes in my pants today. When it comes to tops, like blouses, t-shirts, sweaters, it's a thing right now to actually buy them with distressing, whether it be holes, maybe some like rippage, and there's just something about tops that it just doesn't do it for me. I can never tell if that actually is in fact a very old ratty t-shirt or if you just spent $60 on that. And I understand that's exactly the point that people make about jeans. Point taken. This next one, I apologize. I definitely mentioned this in an older video a long time ago, but it needed to be in this one because this is what's going to make you look messy. And it's the darn cheap belt loop holes that come automatically on tops and dresses. Like, it comes with a belt, which honestly, if something comes with a belt, not starting off on the greatest foot. But either way, you can really just elevate the entire look, your whole outfit, by just simply cutting off those cheap belt loops on the side. Don't use them. Just cut them off. And then put the belt on, secure it nicely. 10 times better. The next tiny little insignificant outfit mistake is just simply your shoelaces. Yes, I mean, some shoelaces are just so long and floppy. They literally overpower your shoe. Simple fixes here. I shared this Amazon thing quite a while ago where it's probably for kids, but I like it. It's like rubber things that you just like put through the little holes in your shoe. It not only makes your shoe look so much better, but you just slide your foot in. It's awesome invention. Or you can just kind of tie your shoelaces in a way that they're more hidden inside your shoe versus the outside. You could just get shorter shoelaces. I mean, really, these are simple things. Speaking of shoes, let's talk about chunky boots, because there's ways you can wear them and look super stylish, and then there's ways you can wear them and look like a mess. So with chunky boots, the thing is you really want to kind of like show them off. They're clearly trying to be the statement of your whole outfit. So, if you're wearing a dress, great. You kind of like already see them. If you're wearing pants, you want them to be cropped enough that you still in fact see the boot to kind of elongate your leg. Now, where it looks kind of like a mess is when the pants you're wearing kind of just cover most of it. It looks very clunky, a little too chunky, and that's kind of where they just kind of look messy versus a stylish trend. So I know a lot of people cannot stand the chunky boot, in which case this just doesn't even apply to you, but still something I wanted to mention. So there you have it. Those are 10 tiny outfit mistakes that you might be making, that I'm most definitely making, that make us look messy. I hope you got a few pointers, enjoyed the suggestions. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing down below for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye.